Alright guys, right here we're setting the timing. You can see that little dot right there is lined up with that arrow. That means that you have essentially the motor in time. And we got the heads on both sides. We just got done torquing all the head bolts. They get torqued down to 58 foot-pounds at a minute 90 degrees. And that's all of them, except you have this one Allen key bolt that gets torqued down to the 58 foot-pounds, but after that it's torqued down to 40-degree angle instead of your 90. And same on the on your camshaft bolt right there. It gets torqued down to 58 foot-pounds and at 90 degrees. So if you're wondering those specs on any of that, that's what they are. So yeah, I'll give you an update after it's all done.